Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to pay your Tabby installment. Staying on top of your payments ensures your account remains in good standing and avoids late fees. Let's get started. First, open the Tabby app. Log in with your phone number and password or biometric authentication to access your account. Next, go to your active installments. From the dashboard, select Payments or My Installments to view all outstanding plans. Then, choose the installment you want to pay. Tap on the specific payment and review the details including the due date and amount. After that, select your payment method. Tabby allows you to pay using a linked debit or credit card. Choose the card you want to use and confirm it's active and has sufficient balance. Next, confirm and make the payment. Review the payment summary and tap Pay Now. Complete any security prompts if required. Finally, check your payment confirmation. After the transaction is processed, Tabby will update your installment status. You can also check your email or app notifications for the payment receipt. Quick tips. Always pay before the due date to avoid late fees. Keep your linked card updated to prevent failed payments. Track all your installments in the Tabby app for better financial management. Paying your Tabby installment is simple and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.